you married? Because I have a beautiful story of this married couple who together made a home business into a national brand. Kunafa World, bringing the Middle East dessert in India.
We go together.
Hi, I'm Zamzir Ahmed. Me and my wife Jamila Ruhi are the co-founders of Kunafa World.
Ruhi, a housewife, was very passionate about baking desserts, always trying something new to surprise her husband.
Baking is something that always got me bonded with anyone. Anyone who is fond of baking, by default, becomes really close to me.
And because of this passion of hers, Zamzir was the lucky man who got to try new delicacies every now and then until the day she served him kunafas.
After taking a bite of kunafa, I was taken back, and this was like one of the best desserts I've ever had.
Zamzir was already working as a marketer for multiple companies, and when he did R&D on the dessert, he got to know that kunafa is not known in India, which made Zamzir and Ruhi together sell kunafas all over Mangalore in a Facebook page called Bake Angel.
The name was given by me because I always felt my wife as an angel, and she's a baker. That's how the Bake Angel name came into the picture.
You see, when there are two people involved in a business, it's a fact that there will be conflicts regarding the money flow. So when Bake Angel started generating money, Zamzir didn't take any share because he had his own full-fledged job.
There was nothing like this amount is yours and this much is mine, because at the end of the day, we worked as one soul.
And as their business grew and grew, they started working on branding it. His wife participated in many food exhibitions while Zamzir was a back-end support looking after the marketing. And after a year of selling kunafas, that's when a well-known friend, Mohammed Hafiz, a venture capitalist, partnered up with the couple, showing a bigger vision, making their first outlet in Fazer Town, Bangalore, calling it Kunafa World.
I was a bit skeptical about starting this because I had a small baby who was just 6 months old.
Ruhi started training the staff for 3 months, teaching them to bake kunafas, while Zamzir was taking equal responsibility in building the brand and the household.
He has a fair share of responsibility in raising our kids also. He wasn't just behind all the expansion and marketing. He was an equal hand, even staying up whole night when the kids were a little crying.
And after months of hard work, now Kunafa World franchises opened one by one in Bangalore, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Maharashtra, and is growing even more.
Currently, I am handling the supply chain and operations of Kunafa World, whereas Zamzir is handling the entire branding and marketing of it.
Well, putting it short, if you're able to support your spouse during their hard times, that's when the sweet dose of ease come your way. That's it for today. Until next time.